This four-door, five-passenger truck has just over 15,000 kilometers. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a leather steering wheel, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, skid plates, rain-sensing wipers, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.